want to take a minute to talk about the cost of probate in a estate upon your death. There's a misconception that when someone has a will, that there will not be a probate required, and that's not the case. If there are assets left in the decedent's name solely, there's no designated beneficiary, there's no trust, there's no pay on death, then that asset's going to be subject to administration through the court procedure known as probate. This process is time-consuming. I'm not going to go through all those steps right now. However, what I want to focus on is the cost of that process. The legal fees are based on a percentage of the value of the estate subject to probate under the court's jurisdiction. So let's take as example an estate that's being probated with a value of $1 million. This would include the real property, the accounts, and any assets that have a market value and are transferred at death through this process. $1 million estate would be paid to the attorney as follows. The first $100,000 is a 4% fee to the attorney, $4,000. The next $100,000 is a 3% fee to the attorney, so that's $3,000. And then the next $800,000 is at 2%. So the total is $23,000, and that's only for attorney's fees. It doesn't include such fees as publication costs, appraisals fees, accounting fees, court filing fees. So the total cost of a probate can be very expensive. The administration of a living trust is not without cost, but generally those costs are much less. It does not involve the court procedure and process and the fees that are necessarily involved in that. So in most cases, a trust administration or a living trust that's administered upon your death is more cost effective.